guys, I'm back again today with another reaction video, and today we are reacting to Beribu Sesalan, and this is Suara Ning. This is Ning Baizura, Jaclyn, Victor, and Shila. Well, I've reacted to this, but then the live performance, this is, I think, the music video or something like that. Anyways, before I do so, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Click the bell button to get notified whenever I do upload a video. So anyways, guys, let's check this out. I gave your heart away. A break. Jaclyn. Shila was the first. That's Shila, I think, right? Yeah. And then the other one is Baizura. She looks so different as well. That's me. Her voice texture is deep. Excuse me? There's a random man behind her. Oh, my face is like doing that weird thing again because I'm feeling the emotions. Now I can feel it, but it's part of life. They're so like singing from the heart, that's why. Go away. We don't need you, men, in our lives. Oh, that was so nice. The voice, I felt it. What I feel that they were singing about is like, you come here, you come and hurt me. I don't need you. Just go away. If you want to leave, leave. I'm so bitter. But anyways, that was amazing. Their voices were super amazing. It's like it had a chemistry. They felt the song. It's like they got the perfect people to sing this song because they sing with the heart and they sing with like emotion. The emotion in the song was just, I felt everything. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, leave in the comment section down below what other videos like me to react to. The original link of this video will be in the description box down below, so it's my social media links. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.